So in this video, we'll be going over the setup process for a settings lock or a settings password, and this is a very useful feature should we want to prevent unauthorized access to our settings for the myCNC application. So, for example, you would like to prevent some settings changes to your axes, your hardware PLCs, your macros, etc., whatever is in this list, you would like this closed. So how do we do that? Well, first we go from our main screen into our main menu, go into our settings, and go into our sys tab. And if the sys tab isn't present, just go into your config, your UI settings, and make sure that this show sys tab toggle is set to be on. So you go into your sys tab, you go click on this log button, and then you select the change password and lock settings option. So I currently do not have a password, so we will leave this field blank. We will type in our new password, let's say 123, 123 to confirm it, and we confirm this change. And now our settings are locked, and I have to enter a password to get to our configuration tab. So please note that your user settings will still be available, so you do not have a password lock on this, which is handy, for example, if the operator needs to change some THC settings, maybe some drill settings, etc. But the main settings for the application will still be locked. So we can type in our password to unlock them, and here we go, we now have access again. At this point, let's say we would like to remove this password. We go back into our sys tab, personal lock, go to change the password, type in our current password, 123, and then leave these two fields blank. Confirm, and now the password has been removed. Thank you for watching. Please visit our documentation at docs.pv-automation.com for more information.